Hey y'all, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this super adorable fresh cranberry crown. It is one of my favorite things to do every Christmas season, and I especially love doing it as a party activity. So stick around and I'll show you how to do it. This is literally a less than 5-minute craft. It's super simple and it looks so adorable, especially for a holiday party or a family gathering. What I really love to do is set up a station with the cranberries and the supplies and instructions so that way people can make it all in their own time. I set out a container of bobby pins so they can pin it in their hair and cut some ribbon and tie it in their hair, and it's just so much fun, and then everyone can go around with their festive little cranberry crowns and have a great holiday time. First, you know, it's crucial to light a Christmas candle before we do any Christmas crafting. For supplies, you're just gonna need some fresh cranberries. I like to put mine in a little bowl, especially for a station. You're gonna want to not make a mess like me. You're also gonna need some scissors, some floral wire, the thicker the better, to pierce through the cranberries, and some ribbon. I'm gonna link down my favorites down below in the description. So the first thing you wanna do is bend one end of your floral wire just about maybe an inch into a little loop, and that's gonna stop the cranberries from falling off the other side, and it's also gonna provide a loop for our ribbon to go through. And then I just string the cranberries through. It's an easy craft. It's not something that's difficult or requires a lot of skill. I try and take out any of the soft cranberries beforehand so they're all really firm and easy to poke through. And then you just fill up the wire. When I've got about 2 inches left, I'm going to make another loop at the end. So I've got somewhere to put my ribbon, and I'm going to form it to my head just to make it that little semicircle. And then I just thread my ribbon right through the middle so I have a place to put it over my head. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. And then I just tie it in a bow in the back of my hair. Bobby pins are your biggest helper here, especially if you have fine or silky hair like I do. Bobby pins really help it stay in place all evening. See, you guys, wasn't that so easy? It's such a simple craft. You can get so many crowns out of one bag of cranberries, and it just is so adorable. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you want more Christmas holiday content, make sure you're subscribed, hit the thumbs up button, and if you want more day in the life behind the scenes fun stuff, you can follow me over on Instagram or on TikTok at Colorful Megan on both of those platforms, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!